Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
PVC wall decorations, modern options and multiple benefits. Wall decorations are essential factors that contribute to adding beauty and character to the interior spaces of homes and offices. Among the available options, PVC wall decorations stand out as a distinctive choice that combines aesthetics and practicality. In this article, we will discuss the features and usage ideas for PVC wall decorations. What is PVC? PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, a well-known plastic material used in a variety of applications, including wall decorations. PVC is recognized for its durability and resistance to water and impacts, making it an ideal choice for interior decorative purposes. Advantages of PVC wall decorations. 1. Aesthetic design asterisk. PVC decorations come in various designs and colors, giving you the freedom to choose according to your taste and the design needs of your space. Some designs can mimic the appearance of wood or stone, adding a luxurious touch to the place. 2. Easy installation asterisk. The installation process of PVC panels is smooth and quick, allowing even non-professionals to install them without the need for complex tools. This saves time and effort compared to traditional materials. 3. Water and humidity resistant asterisk. PVC walls are resistant to water and humidity, making them ideal for use in bathrooms and kitchens. They are not affected by environmental factors such as water or steam, which maintains their quality over time. 4. Easy cleaning and maintenance asterisk. PVC decorations feature a smooth surface that is easy to clean with simple wiping. You can use water and soap to remove dirt, making it a practical choice for places requiring constant cleanliness. 5. Cost-effective asterisk. The prices of PVC wall decorations are budget-friendly compared to other options like paint or gypsum, making them an economical choice for both large and small projects. Ideas for decorating walls with PVC. 1. Using panels for a modern look asterisk. Panels can be evenly distributed across one wall as a backdrop for the bed or sofa, creating a focal point in the design. 2. Mixing different styles asterisk. You can combine different types of panels in one room, such as using wooden panels in a specific corner and lighter colored ones in other areas, creating an attractive contrast. 3. Decorating hallways asterisk. PVC can be used to decorate narrow hallways, adding a distinctive character and visually expanding the space. 4. Hidden lighting asterisk. Panels can be installed in a way that allows for hidden lighting, adding a charming touch to the room at night. Conclusion. PVC wall decorations are an ideal choice for those looking to merge beauty and practicality in their interior designs. They are characterized by their design diversity, ease of installation, and water resistance, making them suitable for use throughout the home. Regardless of your preferred style, PVC decorations allow you to add a modern and elegant touch to your environment. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our viewers for joining us today. We truly appreciate your support and engagement. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest trends and tips in home decor, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, Decor Pro 2. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for being with us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting and inspiring content.